Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. Let's look at writing and compiling a C# program. There are two ways to write program code for a C# program. You can use a simple text editor, such as Notepad, or you can use the Visual Studio Integrated Development Environment. After you write the program, there are two ways to compile and execute it, from the command prompt or using Visual Studio. First, let's take a look at using the text editor. I've opened Notepad and I'm going to paste in a simple C# program. It's a class named DisplayDogFacts. It has a main method and it has one executable statement, a statement that writes a line about dogs. I can save the file and give it the name DisplayDogFacts. I'll use a .cs extension because it's a C# program. After the file is saved, I can go to the command prompt and compile the program. The command is CSC, which stands for C# compile, and then I give the name of the program, DisplayDogFacts.cs. When I press enter, I get some information about the compiler, and then if there are no errors, I'm returned to the command prompt. Then I can execute the program by typing its name, DisplayDogFacts. When I press enter, I get the output that I requested in the program, and I return to the command prompt. Let's suppose the program has an error in it. For example, I could misspell WriteLine. I'll save the program, and then at the command prompt, I'll try to compile it again. If you use the up arrow on your keyboard, you can cycle through the previous statements so you can get back to the command that you used without retyping it. I'll compile the program, and this time I get an error message. It says the error is in DisplayDogFacts.cs in line 6, position 15. Well, line 6, position 15 is right about here. And it says System Console does not contain a definition for WriteLine without the E. If I know C#, I'll understand this message. I'll go back and fix the program. Then I'll save it. And when I return to the command prompt, I can compile it again. This time the compile is successful, and now I can run the program, and I get my dog facts. Let's take a look at running the same program in Visual Studio. I'm going to create a new project, and there are many kinds of projects available, but I'm going to select Console Application, and I'm going to name it DisplayDogFacts. Choose a location and click OK. After a few moments, the project is created and a lot of code has been written for me, but I'm going to replace this code with the program I've already written. It's the same program that you saw in the text editor. It's called DisplayDogFacts, and it has one line of output. If I choose Debug and start without debugging, I see the output. Dogs were first domesticated at least 17,000 years ago. If I introduce an error into this program, for example, misspelling WriteLine, I see an error message. System Console does not contain a definition for WriteLine. It indicates the line number and position number of the error, but I can also double-click on the error message and be taken to the spot where the error occurred. I can fix my code, go to Debug and start without debugging again, and the program again runs successfully. Thanks for watching.